Dear students, welcome back to Digital Learning, an initiative by Department of Collegiate and Technical Education, Government of Karnataka. In this lesson, we are learning aids to trade and advantage. Outcome of this session is to make students to learn the aids to trade and the advantages. In the previous session, we have learnt meaning of aids to trade and also few aids to trade in detail. Now, in this session, we are taking another 3 aids to trade. Let us know about another 3 aids to trade. Now, first, let us take up advertising. Advertising fills the gap and it solves the difficulty of information. Exchange of goods or services possible only when producer can inform customers about their products or services. It is very important to inform the customers or consumers about the existence of a product or service. Advertising and publicity are important, plays a very important role in bringing the product information from producer to consumers. Advertisement plays a vital role, plays a major role in bringing information, product information from manufacturers to consumers. Advertising helps the consumers to know about the various brands manufactured by several manufacturers. The medias used to advertise, the medias which are used to advertise products are radio, newspapers, magazines, TV, internet, etc., through which the product information is given to the consumers. Advertising helps trade by informing the members of public on the availability of goods and services on the market. So, advertising informs the public about the availability of a particular product or service on the market. Advertising helps trade by persuading potential customers to buy the goods and services available. Advertising helps trade by informing the public on job vacancies with a view of recruiting new staff. Advertising also spreads awareness on matters of public interest. So by doing all this, advertising helps trade. It helps producers to sell their products to consumers. the next aid to trade, that is salesmanship. It facilitates salesmanship, facilitates personal selling. Salesmanship is very much required in the sales of services and industrial goods. Many a times, sales force is required to book orders directly from dealers or customers. The sales force plays an important role in direct marketing, especially in the case of selling insurance policies. Moving to the next aid to trade, that is mercantile agents. Mercantile agents remove personal difficulties. Mercantile agents are middlemen who form a link between the buyers and the sellers. They do not carry on business on their own. In the process of distribution, producers and consumers are unable to have direct contact as consumers are spread over a vast area. Mercantile agents remove this difficulty of personal contact. There are several types of mercantile agents such as brokers, commission agents, auctioneers, underwriters, insurers, etc. So these people, they do not carry on business on their own, in their own name. Rather, they act as a middleman between the producers and the consumers, because consumers are spread over a vast area. By acting as middlemen between producers and the customers, mercantile agents make trade easier. Having learnt the meaning of aids to trade and different types of aids to trade, we are concluding this session. These are the references which I already mentioned. Thank you.